grabbing the old jump box and going out to look at a 2007 PT Cruiser, approximately 140,000 miles. Customer complaint, no crank, no start. And then they said something about their heat wasn't working or quit working in the middle of winter. Okay, I cranked it, and just off cranking it, needs the engine. So they said no crank, no start, but it is cranking. I don't know if you can hear that. Listen real close. I can hear the combustion gases going into the coolant just off of cranking it. So I don't have somebody out here. Let's see. Where's the stinking window switch? Here we go. I definitely believe it has a blowed head gasket. Where's the freaking thing? There we go. Okay. What we got here? Ew, some nasty goopy stuff. And that looks fresh. Is that from me cranking it? Look at that. They tried a radiator cap. It's got a new radiator cap on it. They tried that. Nope. Not gonna help you. Okay, I'm going to try to just set my camera up. Man, it's soaked all the way over here. I'm gonna set my camera up right there somewhere. I just want to see when I crank it. So right there is the, come on. Right there's the radiator cap. Well, guess there ain't no coolant in it. Yeah, ain't enough. I know that's what it is though. You can see down in here, that's the first sign of a blowed head gasket, is look at your radiator right here. Of course this isn't the radiator, but normally this is on the radiator. You see how that's all chewed up? That's from hot gases coming out of there and going by into your overflow. I'm not gonna freaking push this thing in the shop for this. I could bring a gallon of water out here, put it in there, and then crank it over and see it shoot up out of there. I know it's gonna shoot up out of there. Let's do it. I'm gonna go get a gallon of water. Just for video purposes, I guess, and you know, more proof, but I can hear it inside the vehicle. I can hear the combustion gas boiling or bubbling through the coolant when I crank it over. Alright, let me get a gallon of water. I don't think I shut the key off. Well, I got my jump box out there. So that battery's gonna be so dead when I get back that it's not even gonna crank over. Alright, got my gallon of water. Let's see. Let's check the engine oil. No milk in the engine oil. Alright, let's crank her over. See it coming up out of there? Alright. Wasn't as dramatic. Yeah, you can smell the gas coming up out of there. The combustion gases. Wasn't as dramatic as I wanted it to be, but needs the engine. I definitely don't think it would be worth doing a head gasket on this. I don't know. We'll see. But needs the engine because the block could be bad. You know, it could have cracked the block, warped the block. I don't know. PT Cruiser needs the engine. Might be the end of its days. I don't know. Depends on how much the customer is attached to it, I guess. $139,402 might be the very last mile it ever gets. Alright, bye-bye PT Cruiser. Or PT Loser. I don't know. What do you guys call it? Alright, thanks for watching. Hope you all have a great day. Let's see. Let's check the engine oil. No milk in the engine oil. See it coming up out of there? Yeah, you can smell the gas coming up out of there. The combustion gases. Needs the engine. PT Cruiser needs the engine.